it's the original dash, and this is a cap which goes over what is originally there. But you have to get it to fit halfway decent, and this is a higher end car, so you know, you just take a little extra time to try to get it to fit a little bit better. But I mean, that's the way that they cut it, so you know, it's sort of, when you shut the door, it'll push this over, you know, so that doesn't look so bad with it like that. Stuff that's gonna keep it where I put it when I get out of the car, and it's glued, and you know, it sits for to have this stuff stay until the glue dries. But now I gotta figure out, like, see how this will go down. So I'm gonna try to see if I can wedge this. It's here and over there. Like all of these openings, like around all of that stuff, that. But then I need the glue thick up there. How do I get this thing in here and not leave like the glue that was there back here pushing it forward? You see what I'm saying? Windshield is there, and I've seen these things like, it'll tell you to just glue it here, but a year later where the glue is stuck right here, and the rest of it's warped. Just stay there. I might just be able to tape it. That'll stay when I close the door. That'll be okay there. There's one spot I might have to cut some of it off at the bottom to get it there. But you see how I've had to prop it. Half silicone gun. Then you just pull the trigger and it'll be all over you. You gotta get it off of it. Push it. See this stuff?